Hi guys, how are you today? I'm standing behind our beautiful elderberry tree. I will tell you a little bit about it. And if you like the video, don't forget to put a thumb up for us, subscribe, share, and check our website as well. So this is the European elderberry tree. Please don't confuse it with the American one. The botanical name of this one is Sambucus nigra, and this is very important because all parts of this tree are usable. The American one, some parts of the tree of the American elderberry are poisonous, so this is important to know. This is the European one. We've got two larger ones over there. It's a really big size elderberry tree, and this one is about 3 to 4 years now. And this guy here is it's 1 year old. We just planted little seedling a year ago, last summer. We have a spring now, middle in spring, and it's a really good size already. It's about 2 meters now and really nice and bushy. You can trim it to keep it low, or you can let it grow like the other one. The elderberry tree loves nitrogen rich soils. That is why it grows really very good next to chicken houses, or if you don't have any birds, it will be good if you put some blood and bone. And as you can see, the bees love it, all kinds of bees. The honeybee, the native Australian bees love it as well. It will grow, and it grows in winter and our subtropical. We are here in subtropical Queensland, Australia, in Pacific Haven, and this one is frost resistant as well. So even we had some frost snappy nights this winter, it was beautifully flowering and growing all the time. We are using the flowers for tea, or you can make a delicious elderflower fritters. If you do the tea, cut the flowers off and dry them before you do the tea, because then it will be much more intensive. And you can also store the dried flowers for later on if you put them into the paper bag. If you don't have any dehydrator, do it in not a straight sun, just some shady place like your pantry or somewhere else. And please make sure it's really dry before you put it into a container or paper bag or so on. So as you can see, it's a really big party for the bees. So you can also use this tree as a protection from the cold winds during our subtropical winter here, to protect the tropical plants. And yeah, we can go over there and I show you the berries. They are forming here already. And you can eat them when they are very ripe and really black. You are not supposed to eat them now. and you can do lots of stuff from the berries, like jelly, cordial, wine. You can also do wine from the flowers as well. You can do lots of things. Jam, also tinctures, because it's a really great flu fighting medicinal juice you can do of it. Juice, well, with alcohol. So the tinctures are great if you feel like a cold is coming or flu. So yeah, if you don't grow elderberry tree yet, I will really recommend you to do so, because it's a great tree. It's growing beautifully, and the other bonuses as well, the birds love to hide underneath our guinea fowls, and we've got some elderberry trees in the chook houses as well, in the chook enclosures, I mean. So the birds really love the shade from this tree. So lots of benefits. I don't see any negatives with this tree. You can only win if you grow it. We are selling little seedlings, so if you are local here, Fraser Coast area, or you're driving past Fraser Coast area, Queensland, just send me a message and I will see if I have a sibling for you ready. There is one more as well. So they are flowering really most of the year. So I hope you liked that video. If you have any questions or tips to the elderberry tree, please put them in the comments below. And also check our blog, our website. I will put an article about the elderflower, elderberry tree in there as well. And yeah, I hope you like the elderberry tree now as much as I do. And if you have any space in your garden, backyard or front yard, I would really highly recommend you to grow this beautiful and very useful tree. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.